Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 15th 2024, and I've already solved two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one regular puzzle left. It's the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of today, well, I've showed you the news of today. In Holland, the Netherlands, we have now 18 million people. That's a lot for a small country. Okay, let me continue with this one. 9097. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers, yes. But the publisher has indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think whether it's a 0 stars or a 1 star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes. For 1 star puzzle, faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 0, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes then? I see here one triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. The 3 is already given, so these 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box or the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark this box with 4 or a 5. Same with the other side. The other side, this box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? Nope. How about quadra boxes? Well, we have a quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box with in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Here we have also a quadra box. These 3 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with 4 should be there, and the other numbers 1, 2, 3 could be everywhere. Alright, now my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the Z or the S construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. Let me draw this. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Oh, I overlooked this quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. The 1, 2 and the 3. Insufficient information right now. Overlook this one quadra box. Anyway, let me continue. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. Oh, no. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. We have more. Here another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. Oh, I overlooked this one. We have another one here. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Here, I think this is the last shape that we need to recognize here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes. And there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then. Let me think. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. Then 1. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this S construction should be here. And this one is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5 then. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, and this box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area, S construction. For numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3. It's also connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for number 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 in this area. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. Then let me think. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3 is also connected with that box, 2 and the 3. I need a 4 here. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box, should be 2 and 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. 0 stars and faster than 30 minutes, so well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. Yeah, so have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.